It's Ross, a resident of Saugeen Shores. Ross doesn't look that well, but he's not sure what to do since he doesn't have a doctor here in Saugeen Shores. In fact, Ross has heard physician recruitment is a challenge facing a lot of communities across the province. So what is being done locally to make sure residents of Saugeen Shores, like Ross, have access to the healthcare they need? It's time to chat with Bill Eagleson, the town's Director of Protective Services and part of the Physician Recruitment Committee.
Ross, you're looking a bit pale. I'm sorry you're feeling under the weather today, but I'd be glad to tell you about our physician recruitment and how you can connect with healthcare professionals in our community. We understand the challenges residents and families and visitors to our town face when they don't have a doctor. That's why Saugeen Shores elected officials, town staff, and local doctors partnered with Bruce Power to form the Physician Recruitment Committee a number of years ago. The committee continues to actively recruit healthcare providers to our town. What does this look like? Well, Ross, we incentivize doctors with one of the most generous plans in the province to bring them to our town. Interest-free loans, housing benefits, property tax exemptions, these all complement the effort of our full-time dedicated physician recruitment specialist. This person connects the doctors across the province, showing them all the reasons they should choose to call Saugeen Shores home. We're expanding our access to healthcare and the program beyond the traditional doctor model. Many of our citizens have been well served by nurse practitioners. In fact, Saugeen Shores will have a new nurse practitioner joining us very soon in town. You play a role in all of this too, Ross. You know that staying active, eating well, and practicing good hygiene habits like hand washing is all part of keeping healthy. It's very important that people without doctors register on HealthCareConnect. Then you're assigned to a care connector, nurses who work with family physicians and nurse practitioners accepting new patients. Registering also helps our efforts because we gain an accurate number of residents who do not have doctors and wish to have doctors. To be very clear, we need everyone that does not have a doctor and wishes to have a doctor to register with HealthCareConnect. We cannot accept patients at our clinics. HealthCareConnect is what gets you access to a healthcare professional. Ross, the good news is we have new doctors joining our community very soon, and they will be looking for patients. If you're registered on the HealthCareConnect list, you stand a very good chance of getting a doctor in our community. Thanks in large part to physician recruitment efforts, the emergency room at the Southampton Hospital is now staffed 24 hours a day, a change from just a few years ago. Together, we can ensure that everyone in Saugeen Shores has access to health care they need. Take care, Ross, and I hope you're feeling better soon.
Thanks for taking the time to learn with Ross about access to healthcare in the town of Saugeen Shores. If you have questions or comments, reach out to us on social media at Saugeen Shores ON, send us an email at communications@saugeenshores.ca, or give us a call at 519-832-2008.